Good afternoon. It's November 11th, 2025. It's about 10 after 12. And I'm going to go down and move some wood chips. It's a beautiful day. Got quite a few chips to move. I'll make sure they have plenty of room to dump more. And we got some more chips. My wife taking the grandson for a ride. We got quite a few chips moved today. Built this lane up a little bit more. Then after the last load came in, I went ahead and fixed the driveway so the truck could get out a little easier. It's kind of rocking and rolling because the ground is sunk. So did that, and then I got sidetracked. My son Charlie's birthday today. So anyway, now it's almost dark. I'm gonna get the animals ready to feed. Wife's still at the store, and she'll milk Bella when she comes back. My wife had to go to Costco to exchange the battery for this golf cart because it went bad. So we're getting a brand new battery for it. Yeah, I'll start by toggling the water off and getting wet by a doodle. Yeah, I'll go ahead and feed them and maybe pull Bella out. Stick her in the barn till my wife gets home. This is daylight right now. Alright, the water, I get the hose laid out and the valve on so the water can drain once I shut the water off. Which I'm going to go do that right now so I don't forget. I go up on top of the hill to do that. Alright, water shut off. Now I can feed. Alright, got that done. Made two big piles, and they're all at one here. I'm going to go down the end and see if I can get Bella to come down and visit me so I can take her out, put her inside the barn, make things a little easier since it's still daylight. Alright, Bella's in the barn. She's got hay. She wants grain, but she can't have grain until she gets milked. Ooh, it's cold out here. So anyway, I'll be back now when the wife gets home. So I can put Bella away, but the rest of the animals are taken care of for tonight. So, I appreciate you watching. I'll catch you next time.